My Perfect Hotel Tips and Tricks 2025. In this video, I'm going to share updated strategies to help you grow your hotel faster and earn more in 2025. Start by focusing on room upgrades. Don't just unlock new rooms, make sure existing ones are fully upgraded to increase revenue per guest. It's more cost effective than expanding too fast. Prioritize hiring staff. A clean hotel earns higher tips and staff speed things up. Upgrade your cleaners and receptionists to improve guest satisfaction. Next, timing is key. Always open the game during peak in-game hours when traffic is high. You'll collect more cash faster this way. Use your diamonds wisely. Save time for premium upgrades or unlocking features that drastically improve gameplay, like faster elevators or more rooms per floor. Watch ads selectively. Only do it when doubling income or hiring temporary staff. This gives the best return for your time. And don't forget the lobby. A well upgraded lobby keeps guests happy while they wait, improving your star rating and passive income. Track for daily missions and events too. These gives bonus rewards and can speed up your overall progress. Keep expanding, keep upgrading, and stay consistent. And that's your My Perfect Hotel tips and tricks for 2025.